I guess when Zoe asked if I could do this, I was thinking about how I could make something that interacted with the whole space. And I had a few double screen films that I thought would work quite well across the space in kind of bringing it together. And in setting up the film loops, it kind of divides the space up a bit, so it becomes something that people need to move around and move through. So I guess it plays with the material quality of film, and something that is embodied in all of my work. It's about the process. So the process of making is inherent within the films. So you see the repeated action, and that's determined by the mechanism of the camera. So when it's wound up, that determines the length of each performance for camera. And then I guess when it's shown a bit like this, the way in which the projectors work determine how it kind of functions in the space and how it comes to life. How do I think it went? Well, nothing snapped or caught fire so far, so that's a good thing. There's always the potential. One of the projectors got a bit crunchy, but yeah, everything else ran okay. It was quite a full-on install. 5 projectors, 7 film loops in 5 hours, but I had these works anyway, so I've just been mulling it over for a while about how they all fit together, and how rather than it being lots of separate pieces, it kind of becomes one piece in this setup.